Old wives' tale, that is.
Making me sound like a She uses her hands a lot. A job.
Oh, yeah? Oh, no, she doesn't. No. She works in a factory.
Prefer it when I was a
Yeah, okay. An A to Z of flowers. That's what I need. Not just these are random flowers that Kirsty's made up out of her head. Flowers.
Yeah.
Which you do.
Yeah. But people might want to think that I actually know what they're called.
I googled it.
So it's fresh in the memory.
Yeah,
then.
we did a Hey Siri. Is that a real word or is Kirsty just making up? Oh, it's actually.
Oh.
Yes. Yes, it says.
That's what I figured.
What, that just made up? Flop a flop a flop, flop a flop flop, flop flop a flop a flop a flop.
Yeah, but after every time we speak and every time we kind of like.
Yeah, some right horrible noises. Sorry. We came up with this word. Unification.
What?
Unification.
You came up with that word?
Apparently, yeah.
Really?
We were pissed, we were drunk.
It's a real word.
It's not a real word.
Unification is
What
a real
for?
word. Is a real word. It's when things become unified.
Isn't that unified?
No.
We made up lots of words. We were very drunk, and then we did unicornication.
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 I think that could be a word.
Is that Is that a proper
No, like
word
a
as well?
fake word. I think you can get away with
And do you think it's just so nice? It's so cool, that isn't
that.
it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
I'm sorry, you just don't get excited
I don't.
like I do. I'm
No.
sorry.
I'm a man.
Any colour, come.
Come
Come a chameleon, you come and go. I sing that far too much, I've been told.
Yeah, it's getting cut from a lot of videos at the moment.
Okay. Why are you cutting it out? Come a chameleon. You come and go. You come and go. Nothing like my dreams. Red, gold and green.
How come, right? I put a microphone that far away from you and you still managed to hit it.
What, did it touch it?
That one, yeah.
When just?
Yeah.
Sorry. Hi, I'm Kirsty Meekin from Nail Nails. Are we videoing?
Yeah,
Oh.
we're videoing. We're videoing.
How old am I?
Yeah. You got video on? Is it on record? We're going to be on telly. Hi, Mum.
Okay. You cure that and I can look at it even more. It's like a disco on a nail. It's like you're tripping.
Did you really just do that?
Yeah,
Really?
I really give the camera a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. We're in the army now. Oh, we're in the army.